Hey friends, if you encounter SystemSettings.exe system error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is a clean boot, so search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to System Configuration. Go to the Services tab, check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft Services. If any other service is selected, then click on Disable all, apply OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is to update drivers. So right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. And the last solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar. Go to MRT and then I'll tell you what to do. It needs a while to load this app. Click on next, full scan, next, and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.